Isang Pinoy boxer ang sobrang dinaya sa iskoran sa United Kingdom. Kahit nabugbog ng gusto ni Kabayan ang kanyang kalaban, ay natalo pa rin siya sa laban. Kaya binaldado ng tuluyan ni Kabayan ang hambog na kanyang kalaban. Sa sobrang lala ng pinsala sa ulo ng kalaban, ay tuluyan na itong nabaldado. Deserve niya ang ginawa sa ating pambato. May isang napakalakas na fighter na tinagurian na hari ng England. Mala Vikings ang kanyang anyo at galawan, at talaga namang basagan na mukha kung makipaglaban.
Into the action.
Corner, Martin Raffle!
Oh, good shot from Rafael.
Good shot from Rafael. Looks like he jammed and hooked it.
Yeah, becomes such a good shot from Rafael.
Holding him.
Rafael.
I think that was about right. Yeah.
Oh, it's over. It's finished.
Must be like them cuts then, Tom.
Pero ang hari ng England na ito na may malabato-batong kamao ay nabaldado pagkatapos lumaban kay Rolando D na ating pambato.
I've been looking forward to this.
Yeah, smother him, keep on top of him. It doesn't matter how untidy it looks. If it works, and it's working for him, Tom.
All you have to do is win it. You know, Rolando.
Yeah.
He keeps smiling.
Hard to defend against Tom.
Whoever wins it,
30 seconds remaining.
it ain't easy to win a bet. He's impressed me, Rafael.
Rolando Gabriel D o mas kilala bilang Rolando D ay ang anak ng Philippine boxing legend na si Rolando Navarrete. Bagamat anak ng boxing legend ay hindi naging madali ang pinagdaanan ng buhay ng batang ito. Alam naman natin na bagamat naging kampyon ay lugmok sa kahirapan ng kanyang ama na si Rolando Navarrete. Kaya bata pa lamang, sariling sikap na ang ginawa ng ating bida upang maiahon ng kanyang sarili sa kahirapan nila. Kung ano-anong trabaho at diskarte ang pinasok niya noong kanyang kabataan. Hindi siya dumepende sa kasikatan ng ama. Gumawa siya ng sariling pangalan sa combat sport at larangan ng palakasan. Lumaban na siya sa UFC, Brave CF at Abu Dhabi Warriors hanggang pinasok niya ang mas brutal na pakikipaglaban ng bare knuckle boxing. Walang gloves at purong kamao lang ang ginagamit sa pakikipaglaban.
Lightweight title against one of the hottest fighters in BKB today. Top contender, Rolando D.
Lahat ng kanyang nakalaban ay halos matigok. 50-50 ang nangyari dahil sa lakas ng kanyang kamao.
That's where he. Oh,
To see that.
oh dear.
Well, with the rain waiting more and more. And could that be conditioning issues from not making weight? Conditioning issues, you know. Quick shot there by D.
Walang gloves at purong kamao, suntukang walang peke at arte. Talagang gamit ang kamao na kayang basagin ng bungo. At ang kanyang debut dito ay noong December 4, araw ng linggo, taong 2022. Nakalaban niya ang pinakabrutal na underground fighter ng Thailand. Si Apisit Sangmuang ay napakatindi ng kamao, pero ang Thai na ito ay first round lang sa ating pambato.
Ciampolini asking both fighters, are you ready for the war? Call them knuckle up or have number one. Red trunks, the Filipino Rolando D. Yellow trunks for the Thai opposite second. Counter right hand, and just like that, was back, down goes opposite second. And you can tell he's gonna come through with power. Look at him, he's counter record pressure right there. Impersonation, wow.
Araw naman ng linggo, September 16 taong 2023 ay muling dumayo ang ating pambato sa Indigo 02 Arena, Greenwich, London, United Kingdom. Makakaharap niya rito si George Hillward ng United Kingdom. Apelido pa lang na Helliard, para ba itong galing sa impyerno? Pinakabrutal naman lalaro na nakalaban ng ating pambato. Pero katulad ng mga naunang kalaban, round 4 lang ito sa ating kababayan.
Touch with the left, drop the right hand.
Oh, and again through. Oh, got through again and again.
Pushing out Tom, maybe pushing through. Take that to have a little.
And three. united defeat big family. Oh, good shot.
Steady pressure, steady pressure. Right in there, yeah, George. That's it, go George.
And then back comes Gabriel. Oh, shot. Oh. And these. Oh, but that's when he. Oh,
Did you see that?
Araw naman ng Sabado, October 12 taong 2024 ay muling dumayo si Rolando sa John Charles Center, Yorkshire, United Kingdom. Makakaharap niya ang knockout artist ng United Kingdom na si Hayden Sheriff.
oh, good body shot. Super body shot. That hurt.
Oh, that hurt. Yeah, bit of a delayed reaction. But
Pero katulad ng mga naunang kalaban, round number 2 lang siya sa ating kababayan. Dahil sa mga tagumpay na ito ni Rolando ay nabigyan siya ng pagkakataon na lumaban at lumipad sa bansang Amerika. Noong araw ng Sabado, May 31 taong 2025 sa Prime Osborne Convention Center, Jacksonville, Florida, United States of America, nangyari ang isang kasaysayan. Dalawang anak ng boxing legend ang maglalaban. Ang ating bida, si Rolando D, anak ni Rolando Navarrete, at si Alcibay Duran, anak ni Roberto Duran ng USA. Pero kahit superstar at anak ng boxing legend ang kalaban, round 3 lang ang itinagal niya sa ating kababayan.
Stands fighter, but we've not seen him come out southpaw before.
Again, looking at a counter right hand there, does the
Good counter and explosion by very little MMA for Robert Duran Jr. Use round 1 in the books. That setback against Sarat Manassian, and he knew
jockey for position, so it's not really a lot of rest. See D again.
and a couple of final favors his style and skill set into the talks.
See, making sure that D doesn't slip and slide on the inside. Any issues from not making weight. Conditioning issues, you know. Big shot there by D.
He's looking to finish it right here, right now.
Oh, big shot again. As Duran moved his hand.
He's in trouble.
At the high
Bad
guard.
stands and down he goes again.
One.
The incredible
Corner, the challenger, representing the Philippines, with a BKB record of 1 fight and 1 win, Rolando D. Opponent stands in the red corner, the reigning and defending champion, representing Peterborough, with a BKB record of 4 wins and 1 defeat, Martin the Rebel.
Umpisa pa lang ng laban ay gigil na kagad ang hambog na Viking na kalaban, pero hindi dito nagpatalo ang ating kababayan at siya ay nakipagsabayan.
This one.
back is some. I know
All
it's
been
there.
great fight, but this
Yeah.
one just.
Oh, straight in.
Wow.
Straight in there, Rafael. Trying to toe.
Wow, what a toe-to-toe.
Yeah.
Hey, talk toe-to-toe. This is
Oh,
toe-to-toe.
good shot, I mean. Rafael's got it straight on him. Back he comes though. Rolando being back.
Rounds, not with as much action
Yeah.
as we've seen in the first 10 seconds.
Straight in, yeah, they straight in. Well, yeah, you know, it is everything there trying to. Ooh, and he comes again. Rolando before in the past. You know, he's a
He wants to
smooth-
control the-
Not letting him do that, you know, that slick move. Look at that, his footwork out of the way as well. You know, not one of them shots from Rolando out to something silly. So far, though, the game is
5.
Yep.
Round 5.
Yep.
Dito sa round number 2, matindi ang naging palitan ng dalawang naglalaban, pero mas umangat talaga ang kahambugan ng kalaban.
Like we said in the past, Tom, this is got 5 rounds. You know, he's doing right tactics so far, but can he keep this up?
Can he
for
keep
5
it up?
rounds? Oh, good shot.
Brilliant shot.
Fernando
He rocked it.
Thomas
He
is
rocked
on this. These are his
homework.
Yeah, smother him, keep on top of him. It doesn't matter how untidy it looks.
Sa lakas ng suntok ni Rolando D na ating kababayan, nabasag na dito ang pagmumukha ng kalaban.
Rafael's face there, you know, I just hope he can get through these.
So when you look at one-sided, then you look at
Yeah.
Rolando's face, and you realise it's a good fight.
Good fight.
Yeah, that's the thing, it's swelling up the jaw.
Swelling in.
The cheekbone.
Yep, cheekbone's gone possibly. Nice work from both guys on the inside. Rafael nice with that uppercut. Tried that right uppercut there, bit of success. Treated tonight again, you know, with tonight's cards.
Round number 3, halatang hilo na ang kalaban dahil sa tindi ng sugat na natamo na mula sa ating kababayan.
Yeah, didn't even give him a chance to get off the stool, like you said, Tom. He was straight in. Tom,
That's a great fight.
what's a fight?
I had a feeling he could be fight of the night.
Rolando, he likes to hold the centres, take it his own pace, pick his shots. Oh,
Yeah, you wouldn't want to break into either of their homes and get caught, would you? By these.
I wouldn't have said you'd like to break, but I've been done 3 times as it goes.
Pouring out of his.
Yeah, that's a bad, you know, that's bad damage to the face. Oh, nice little combination.
Quick hands, you know, Rolando.
Yeah.
He's got, I mean,
Oh, but you can see, I don't know if it's coming in the corner of the eye. It might
you
look.
never know. He never knows when he's beaten Martin Feld. That's the strength of the guy. He'll keep coming and hunting you
In
down.
the fight.
Look at the face of Rolando. He's got some
There, he's got some
marks as
yeah.
well. This is a great fight.
But this
One round
pace-
apiece so far.
This pace suits Rolando a lot more.
Great move.
Round number 4, hindi pa napapansin ng kalaban na boksingero na ang kanyang malalang sugat sa ulo ay talagang pipinsala ng gusto at kalaunan ay magpapabaldado sa boksingerong ito.
He's starting to lick it again now, but when he first put the blood in the eye, the flow of blood in the eye. Left uppercut, come left.
Now,
He's all over the place.
Now,
Legs are a
that's
bit wobbly
leveling
now.
up.
Yep. His legs are all over the place. A little bit there, Ronaldo. His legs are gone, Tom. He's struggling.
it's like a pendulum.
Yeah,
It's gone
back
one way.
Oh, there he comes again. Rafael doubling up on them hooks.
It's 10 seconds of the fourth round.
And that's the end of round 4.
Round number 5, halos hindi na makagalaw ang kalaban sa dami ng dugo na nawala sa kanyang katawan.
So is Martin Rafael. They promised they would last night when I spoke to them, and they've lived up to that.
Mounting his step and he's moving back.
1 minute left.
He's looking for the knockout, isn't he?
He's working there.
Rolando
well.
D is looking for that big punch.
Yeah, he's working well.
30 seconds
It
remaining.
ain't easy to win a belt, is it?
See this again. A good shot again. Rolando D.
Impress me, Rafael.
I think he's boxed well. He's the best.
Impress me.
Panalo man dito ang fighter ng United Kingdom, pero nabaldado talaga siya pagkatapos ng laban sa tindi ng pinsala na natamo niya mula sa ating kababayan. Pinagsisihan niya ng gusto ang pandaraya sa Pilipino. Hindi na siya muling nakapaglaro sa sport na ito. Literal na karma ang inabot niya mula sa ating pambato.